Today we are going to go through how to add images to Baymails because it has become apparent to me that not everyone knows this as it was an early feature. So first things first, you need to make sure that your URL is an image URL. In other words, it has to end in .jpeg, .png, .gif, or any of the other common image formats. So usually if you are on the internet, you can right-click the image and say copy image URL, and that will get you the correct URL. And sometimes it will not have the extension on the end, in which case you should just try .jpeg, because that's the most common, and see if pasting that into Baymail works for you. Cool, okay, so what if you don't have the image URL? Say you're just doing a quick screen grab. So for example, when you screen grab on a Mac at least, it saves to clipboard. So it's just copied into memory, and then you can just Control-V or paste directly into Baymail. And paste equals re-encode of the original image. It saves it into the actual Baymail itself. So you'll end up paying a small fee in terms of adding up return data to the Baymail. So this can push your Baymail size from very small to the full 100 kilobytes. And just to demo it actually working, it takes a while to encrypt image data like that. There we go. So something like 6 seconds and it should be done.